Good morning, folks. This is Bradley. I'm here for another Siren Test here in Van Wert, Ohio today. Today is Monday, May 10th, 2021. Current time is now 9:59. Just about a minute before the siren goes off. Every Monday morning we have a tornado warning siren test every Monday morning, except if we have a holiday and weather permitting, just in case of how nice the weather is. Just like right now, we're having nice weather for today, though.
Dispatch, I'm dispatch, Jack's answer over. Dispatch, dispatch, Jack's answer, form a coffin over. Dispatcher, Jack's over.
Oh, it's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock, folks. Time to hear this. It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock right now. Siren should be going off in any second.
Control point at Garrett, or Holgate, Holgate for your move, 1 to 1. Okay, to open up, let me know when everybody's all west. The EAF Holgate at number 1 track, over.
It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock right now. I'm in Van Wert, Ohio. Well, there she goes, man. That was a good siren test, wasn't that, folks? On this Monday morning of May 10th, 2021. Just the day after Mother's Day, which was yesterday. Well, folks, I hope you're really enjoying that tornado warning siren test like we do every Monday morning. Except if there's a holiday or weather permitting. Just like I remember, like I said, tornado warning sirens do warn us just in case if we have an actual for tornado sightings, any emergency civil warnings, or other emergency warning events, just in case that might threat to us here in Van Wert, Ohio, here in the United States, in the world. Well, folks, I hope you're really enjoying that siren test, and I'll see if I can get more soon, okay? Make sure you subscribe to my channel for any more siren tests, and even, of course, some more trains that I spot here on the railroad, here in Van Wert and surrounding areas wherever I'm at. All right, well, folks, you all have a good morning, and hope you all had a good Mother's Day, and make sure, just be careful out there. For anybody whoever loves tornado sirens, for take their test, just enjoy yours, and make sure you're really enjoying how yours goes off and what kind of sirens that you have, like the ones we have here in Van Wert. We have those right there. All right, folks. Well, you all have a good day. All right, thank you. Just make sure you be careful out there. Make sure wherever you're at here in the United States and the world. Hope you're enjoying your siren test wherever you are here in the United States and the world. All right, well, you all have a good day. All right, thank you. All right, bye.